Hi everyone, I'm Christine and here's what's going on at Restore Therapy Spa for March 2023. The first thing is our CryoSculpt workshop. It's going to be on March 10th at 6 p.m. We know a lot of you are curious about cryosculpting, so we put together this little workshop where you can actually view a live treatment. You can get all of your questions answered by our CryoSculpt expert, and you can get free consultations. You can enter to win a free session yourself, and you will get exclusive access to new deals, new packages. So definitely check that out. You can register at the front desk. There's limited space available, so make sure you get in there. That brings me to our service of the month, which is cryosculpting. Cryosculpting is the leading non-surgical body sculpting treatment on the market. It uses warm and cold temperatures on targeted areas of your body to remove fat, smooth cellulite, sculpt, and tone. What makes our CryoSculpt packages more effective is we know that your results are going to be more easily achieved and better maintained if you use them in conjunction with a healthy lifestyle. So we include a free health coaching session with every cryosculpting package. And if you can't make the workshop on March 10th, you can schedule yourself a free CryoSculpt consultation anytime. Our featured product of the month for March is a dry brush. We sell these individually and in very cute little giftable kits. There's 2 different kits available. You can go check them out in the lobby. Dry brushing serves 3 different purposes: lymphatic drainage, skin exfoliation, and cellulite reduction. Try dry brushing in the morning before you shower. What I personally love to do is it only takes 5 minutes a day, so I can do it really quick in the morning while the shower is still heating up. So that's a really good way to just work it into your morning routine, and it just helps you feel energized for the rest of the day. You guys voted for Lime Lemongrass to be our foot scrub scent of the month. Book a foot scrub with your next massage. Remember, if you have a massage membership, your foot scrub enhancement is free. That's what's going on at Restore Therapy Spa this month. As always, thank you for leaving us Google reviews. Thank you for telling a friend. Thank you for watching. Be well.